So today is my 63rd episode of Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, and we are going to be making a cheese ball. This cheese ball is hilarious. When you see it, when you see people go up to it to take a bite, they go. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. Here we go. Okay. All it is, I've got 3 things of cream cheese. I've let them set out for about an hour to warm up. Can of black olives, 4 ounces of blue cheese crumbles, the shallots of the end of the onion, and walnuts. So here we go. What I'm going to do first is I've got these drained. These black olives drained, and what I usually do is I put them on a paper towel so they don't roll all over, and I chop them kind of fine. This is a family recipe that I married into, and I have made this cheese ball for years and years, and it is so yummy. Even people that don't like blue cheese like this cheese ball. I'm not kidding. And like I said, it's comical to watch people go up and taste this cheese ball, and then they're like, oh my gosh. And it's neat because you cut into it and it's white, black, and green. I used to have a couple customers in my barber shop in Michigan that I taught this to. Hi, if you see me cooking. And now it's their family recipe. So they don't have to be super fine. I think that'll be good. You add those to your... The reason I do it on the paper towel is so it soaks up the all the juice. And then I'm going to add the blue cheese crumbles. The whole package. And you know, you can save these and use them as food storage containers, or when you want to give somebody something but you don't want to worry about your bowl. And then I'm going to take this part off, and you just chop them probably into 1/2-inch pieces. We're having a pool party tomorrow, and this is a good thing to make the day before, because you want all those flavors to marinate. And you don't cut the green onion part. I'll probably cut those up and freeze them for another cooking show. And then you add your... And then you mix it up. Get it all mixed really good. I think I'm just going to get my hands in there. Look how pretty that is. And you can make this into 2 cheese balls or one big one. I'm going to make it into one big one because it's a big pool party tomorrow. And if there's any left, you wouldn't believe how good this is spread on toast. It is so yummy. Okay, that should be good. Look how pretty that is. And then you take it form it into a ball. Get all that good stuff. Add it all in there. It's a nice size ball, and I am using Philadelphia cream cheese. It just works the best for this. And then you want to set it in your nuts. And I'm gonna rinse my hand off. I've got this pretty platter. I am going to just roll all those nuts into it. This is about 1.5 cups is what I usually put in there. Figure out another use for these extra nuts. I think I did a couple cups. I did it in my food processor, and yeah. So there you go. Put it on your platter. And you put all your pretty crackers around it. I'll do that tomorrow. And there you have it, our family cheese ball. And like I said, you always want to make it the day before so it has the time to really marinate. But thank you for watching. This was just a quick and easy video. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. Thanks so much for watching, and love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.